So the question is, if you have regular people who are coming to you every weekend and you have to offer different things to them, they keep coming to you for transformation, how to give them every day something, every weekend something different. So the idea will be that one day you can work with sound and dynamic meditation. So through the sound healing, you're opening the body pathway, releasing the blocks. One day you can work only on releasing the negative emotions, repressed emotions, very much working with the root chakra. One day you can work with the sacral chakra, emotional body release. One day you can work with their willpower techniques, techniques to develop the mind, mindfulness meditations also. One day you can work with heart center. One day you can work with opening the throat center. One day you only give them how to release stress. So everything is brought down to how to release stress. Take different variety of tool to release stress. One day you work on anxiety release. One day you can work on how to stop the mind, live in the present. So this way, understand that whatever is your therapies and what are the techniques in that, what are the best benefits, and combine those meditation accordingly. For example, you can do a dynamic dance therapy meditation with 1 hour of sound healing one day, and next day you can do hatha yoga asanas and mantra sound healing for 1 hour. So every day you're giving variety. So your workshop is designed in such a way, every day you do certain way of opening, body warm up with asana or dynamic meditation or dance, then you do the main meditation, and then you do the closing. So your main meditation can be one day particular sounds, one day particular chakras, one day particular mantras, one day you can use hummings, one day you can use any visual meditations. So your preparation changes different, and your main meditation is changing. The only difference is that for example, you can use the techniques in two ways. If you have many techniques, many therapies, one way is that you use the technique as a filler. Filler means you're using 5-6 techniques. One, you use it, you can use 1 sound, 2 sound, 3 sound. This is called fillers. Or you can use one specific sound based meditation, let's say humming. So one day you can do full humming meditation with body preparation, which is done by asana, dynamic meditation or dance therapy. Full sound and something to close. Next day you can use humming as a filler for some mantra meditation, if you understand me. So next day you are doing again some preparation, which is dance, yoga asanas or any dynamic meditation. Then you use very little humming and you use certain meditation. This is how you can change and make it like you have a multi-cuisine restaurant. It's more like this, So one day something becomes main tool with body preparation and the closing. One day something else become main tool with the body preparation and the closing. Your focus is set for the workshop. Like many sounds can be worked as releasing the stress, or same many sounds can bring you to the present moment also. So your speaking, sharing and understanding is focused on specific benefit, if you understand that. Like one day we can work on how to release anger, so you're using same tools. One day you're working on stress relief, one day you are working on how to be in the present moment. One day you can work on how to increase body energy. So you are explaining and sharing the tools, that this is the tools which brings you to the certain energy that you can do the things very easily. So Of course, stress relief is a add-on benefit, but you are not speaking about it, because therapies don't have only specific benefit. One therapy can have 20 different benefits. It just depends how you use it.